You know that moment when you walk into a room and forget why you're there. Frustrating, isn't it? While occasional forgetfulness is normal, certain foods might be speeding up memory decline without you even realizing it. If you're 65 or older, your diet plays a bigger role in your brain health than you might think. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foods that could be sabotaging your memory and what to eat instead to keep your brain sharp as a tack. Why does diet matter for memory? The brain is like the engine of a high-performance car. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. As we age, our brain becomes more vulnerable to inflammation and oxidative stress, which can lead to memory loss and even conditions like dementia. The wrong foods can accelerate this process, while the right ones can act like premium fuel, protecting your brain and even boosting cognitive function. The top 5 memory-destroying foods. Let's jump into the list of foods that could be quietly undermining your brain health. 1. Refined sugars. Sweet treats, sodas, and even some healthy breakfast cereals are loaded with refined sugars. Consuming these regularly causes blood sugar spikes, which can damage brain cells over time. Studies show that high sugar intake is linked to impaired memory and an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Instead, satisfy your sweet tooth with fresh fruits like berries, which are packed with antioxidants that actually support brain health. 2. Trans fats. Trans fats are found in processed snacks, fried foods, and margarine. They're notorious for increasing inflammation in the body, including the brain. Research has revealed that high consumption of trans fats is associated with a decline in memory and cognitive function. Swap these out for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. 3. High-sodium foods. Those convenient frozen dinners, canned soups, and salty chips might be sabotaging your memory. A diet high in sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which reduces blood flow to the brain and increases the risk of cognitive decline. Opt for fresh, homemade meals seasoned with herbs and spices instead of salt. 4. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption might not harm everyone, excessive drinking can wreak havoc on your memory and overall brain health. Alcohol interferes with the communication between brain cells and can lead to memory lapses. If you enjoy a drink, keep it to 1 glass of red wine occasionally, as it contains resveratrol, a compound linked to brain protection. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Reaching for sugar-free alternatives like diet sodas might seem smart, but artificial sweeteners like aspartame can negatively affect brain chemistry. Some studies suggest they may impair memory and cognitive function. A better alternative? Sweeten your beverages naturally with a touch of honey or stevia. What to eat instead? Don't worry, it's not all bad news. There are plenty of delicious, brain-boosting foods you can enjoy. Berries, rich in flavonoids, they help improve memory. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with vitamins like folate and vitamin K, which support brain health. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for cognitive function. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds provide antioxidants and healthy fats. Whole grains, oatmeal, quinoa, and whole wheat bread help maintain steady blood flow to the brain. Actionable tips to protect your memory. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause brain fog and memory issues. so drink plenty of water. Exercise regularly. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for memory consolidation. Engage your brain. Puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill can keep your brain active and sharp. The bottom line: your memory is one of your most precious assets, and the foods you eat have a profound impact on how well it functions as you age. Cutting out these 5 foods doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or joy in eating. It means making smarter choices to invest in your brain health. Ready to take control of your memory and boost your brain power? Start today by swapping out these harmful foods and embracing a diet rich in nutrients that nourish your mind. And don't forget to check out our other videos packed with tips to keep you feeling sharp, strong, and unstoppable at any age. Your brain will thank you.